Welcome our audience. This is William from Super Battery New Energy, and this is my colleague.
Good day. Hello, everyone. My name is Kathy.
Okay. In today's live streaming, we are going to talk about our another type of product, which is our lithium-ion battery, for the e-bike battery. Okay. Before we go into the topic, I'd like to talk about, as we all know, the COVID-19. It's all spread the world since the 2020. Since then, the style of our life changed because of the COVID-19. Some people have to be working from home, and they are told to avoid using the public transportation, such as the bus, taxi, and other type of transportation tools. So the people, they are restricted because of the COVID-19. We have to help contain the virus. So people are told not to go the public and keep social distancing. So the people, this is very frustrated because, as you know, if you are checked into your home for a whole day, or even couple days, you feel frustrated.
Yeah.
So people, they also would like to walk or go somewhere, but because the environment is like that, so we have to obey the rules. So from then on, many people they will from then on the sales of the e-bike rise because it become a new style for people to relax themselves. So from then on, some bike manufacturer come to us to manufacture the battery for them to fit with their bikes. So this is how this battery.
Oh, it seems so heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
What is inside?
What's inside? Inside. It's the all of this e-bike battery is made of the 1865 old battery cell.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This is the cells that's used for in this bike battery. Can you show us some more? Yes.
Yeah. Okay, William, could you help us to introduce them?
Okay, sure. As we told you before that many e-bike manufacturers come to us to provide this battery for them, but most of them they don't come to us. They use other supplier to provide the cells for them. Most of them, as we know in our industry, they are not using the brand new cell, which can help lower the price of the overall price of the e-bike. As you know, the e-bike's price ranges from 300 to 800 USD, I guess. But most of this battery also costs around 200 USD. Okay, is that buy is ranges from 300? That is impossible, because the battery also takes up 16 to 70% of the whole price of the e-bike. The battery is very expensive, so the only way they going to lower the price is using the recycle cells or the second-hand cells. Some of our clients have also found that their original battery can last for a long time, because most of them can only be used for around 1 or 2 years. But if you are using the brand new cells, especially with the cells from Japan or Korean, such as the Panasonic cell, Samsung cell, LG cell, or even the Sony cell, they can provide very well durability, which can help you, which allows you to use this battery for around 4 to 5 years or more. This is the difference here, and this is the cells using inside our battery. We only use brand new cells for e-bike battery. And let's show us what we get.
Okay.
This is the Samyang cells. The Samyang cells, brand new Samyang cells from Japan.
Panasonic.
And this one is Panasonic. This is the Panasonic. This is the BD model, brand new cells.
Samsung.
And this one is the Samsung cells, which is 26JM, also brand new.
LG.
And this is the LG cell. This is the LG BMH. All these cells is a brand new cell.
Okay.
So if you are using the cells from Japan or Korea, it will make the battery very expensive because you get what you pay, right? So, but we also provide other options for our customers. As we all know, there are many battery cell company startup in China this year because of the electronic vehicle industry rise this year. So there are many cell company in China. They can provide similar cell with similar performance, but with lower price. So, such as this one. This one is the cells from Sinova, which is a leading lithium ion cell company in Dongguan, which is the city near Shenzhen. And this is the cell from Tencent. This is the cell from Tencent. All of this cell is from the leading Chinese company. We also, besides those cells from Japan and Korea, we also use this cell for making the e-bike battery because they are as we talked before, they are with similar performance, but with lower price. We provide the same warranty for both the Japan cell, Korean cell, and the Chinese cell. We all provide 2-year warranty for them, and most of them can be used 3 to 4 years. Normally 3 to 4 years. If you are not using your e-bike very often, it maybe can up to 5 years. So there will be no problem here. We very recommend our customers to use this cell from Chinese leading battery company. It is also of very good quality.
Okay.
Okay, how? Okay, now let me talk about some common type of the e-bike battery we see on the market. So let me talk about the high-long type first. Okay. So most of our customers may know the high-long type. Okay, this is the three common SIM high-long type that most of our customers order from our company. And let's introduce this one. This one is the high-long type. It's the high-long type number 1. As you can see, it got a battery indicator. Battery indicator that you can judge the battery status of your battery by press the button here. It have 4 lights. It have 4 lights. The lights on the very right means that your battery is 100% full. The second line means that it's 75%. The second line on the left means that your battery is 25%, and the red line means that your battery is almost empty. So it is very helpful when you ride your e-bike. It will tell you when you should go to charge your battery. Okay, here is the anti-lock, the anti-fig lock, and this is the charging port. The charging port here, this is DC 5.5, 2.5. This is the install socket. Okay, and this is, let's introduce this one. This is the Hylon G80, which is in the same series as the previous one, but this one is bigger. This one is bigger. And for that one, for the previous one, it can do 48 volts, 15 AH maximally. But for this one, it can do 48 volts, 20 AH maximally. So it can provide additional 5 AH. But this one is bigger. Also, it's heavier. It also has the battery indicator and the charge port, which is the Canon port. It also has a power switch. It also has a USB port, which allows you to charge your phone when you are riding as well, which is very, very practical function here. Okay, this is the, what's the thing about? Okay, this is also another type of the Hylon, but this one is it's shorter. It's shorter, so it's more compact when it fits with your bike. It also has battery indicator and a charge port. Okay. Let me do a small conclusion here. Most of this battery, the Hylon type, are used for the bike, such as the mountain bike, the city bike, or the road bike. As long as there is a triangle structure of the bike, as we all know, there is a dump tube here. So all of this battery is installed on the dump tube. As long as there is two holes, most of us will know that on the dump tube there will be two holes that the manufacturer reserve for installing the water bottle, right? You can use that hole to install this battery. As you can see in the base there is two holes here, which allows you to install it on the dump tube. Okay. Let's move.
What's next one?
Okay, let's move on to the next style, which is the water bottle type. This one is also installed on the dump tube, but this is more simple and lighter. It's also shorter. Also battery indicator here. It's very easy to install in the dump tube, just like you install your water bottle holder on the e-bike. It's also through these two holes to install on the dump tube. But this one is too small and light, so it can provide very high energy. It can only do 36 volts, 10 AH maximally. So if you are looking for higher energy, so go with the Hylon type. Okay, let's move on to our next Okay, let's talk about this time. Let's talk about this time. If some clients see this time, they may feel very familiar with this one. This is the high long tie, which has been in the market for decades. Okay, so it has a handle, which is easier to hold. Anti-rock here, and for this one is discharge board is from the bottle. It's 4-pin discharge board. There is also another type, which is the discharge board is from the top. Okay, so most of this battery is for the folding die. For this battery is installed behind the seat. Most of this battery is universally used. The difference is only the height of the battery, but the width and the depth of the battery is the same. So let us know if you are looking for a battery for replacement. Let us know how high is your battery is. They are all in this model, and they are the same model. Okay, let's. Okay. Where is okay? Okay, let's talk about this time.
It also has a holder.
Yeah, it also has a holder. This type is also for folding battery. It's also for folding e-bike, but this one is installed inside the tail of the e-bike, so you can see this battery when you are using it. It's very simple. It's very simple. There is no indicator or something else on the battery. But this one is the most economic one because it has no additional function of it. It's just a case. The difference is the discharge port. This one is a 5-pin port. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this one.
Mini one?
Yeah, this one is very mini.
Yeah.
It also has an indicator here. For this one, do you know what type of the e-bike are going to use this type of battery? Do you have any clues in your mind?
Maybe some children's.
No. Yeah, it may be possible for the children bicycle, but for this one, as we all know, most of our customers, their e-bike is not brand new. They are using their existing bike to install a conversion kit to make it to be an e-bike. So the frame can be changed. Some of the bike they have the such as the mountain bike, the road bike, the city bike, their structure, especially the triangle structure, is very large. So it allows them to install the high long tie, the bottle tie, that's on the dump tail. But for those bike, if they are using the conversion kit to be a e-bike, they don't have that dump tail that can allow them to install this type of battery. So in that case, this type of battery can help because it can easily install beneath the seat. They are using this accessory to install beneath the seat. So even your battery doesn't have any room in the dump tail, you can also use this battery to make your normal bike to be an e-bike. This battery is small, so it can provide very large energy. It's normally around 36 volt, 10 Ah maximally.
Okay, is that called Jenny bag?
Yeah, it's called a Jenny bag. I don't know why it's called Jenny bag, but it's very lovely name to be remembered. It's called Jenny bag tie. Jenny bag.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next style. This is the one from the real rack. For those buy with real rack, you can use this tie. Also another one. This one also have a tail light, so it can be safe when you ride this. You can be safe when you are using your e-bike. Okay, let's introduce some details of. Oh, it's very heavy. For this one, okay, it's for this one, it's also have a battery indicator and an anti-lock here, and a battery charge port. This one is very simple, so there is nothing. There is very much to be introduced. What is it?
Okay.
Okay, for this one, as you can see, this one is thinner. This one is thinner. Okay. It also has battery indicator. Anti-lock here. This is the install base. Yes. Oh. It also has a battery. For this one, it also has a USB port here. So it means that you can also use this one to charge your phone when you are riding.
That's more convenience.
Yes. All of these two ties are used for the bike. Most are used for the most are the city bikes, which of them are having a rear rack on the back. This battery are installed on the rack or beneath the rack. So if you are would like to buy this type of battery, make sure your rack can be allowed this battery to be installed. But if your rack is not fit with this one, we can also provide the specialized rear rack for you. Okay, this is the rear rack tie. Okay, we have one more.
Yeah.
This one is heavy.
Yeah.
This one is heavy.
I never seen this one before.
Yeah, why you didn't see? Because all of this type battery are used for the special design e-bike, which has a very large dump tube. This is the okay. This battery is installed on the dump tube directly. There is no installation base, okay. So you don't need to screw out any screws on your dump tube. It's basically directly to introduce in the dump tube. Just like that. And it also has a battery indicator here. But when you would like to purchase this type of battery, make sure your dump tube is the same. Is the same with ours. Or otherwise, it can be installed because the structure of the battery can be also fit with this type of aluminum tube. So we also provide this aluminum tube if you are a e-bike manufacturer. So you can use this tube to assemble your e-bike when you would like to use our type of this type of battery. Okay. Let's talk about the charger. Most of the battery charger is, for example, for 36 volts, it's 36 volt to amp pace, and for the 48 volts, it's 48 volt 2 amp pace. But for this specification, it's only suitable for the battery with the capacity under 10 Ah. If your 10 or 15 Ah, if your battery, if the capacity of the battery is over 30 or more, look for a higher amp pace, because the most suitable charging current of the battery is 0.2 C. 0.2 C. So if your battery is 10 Ah, the charge rate is 2 amp pace. If your battery is 20 Ah, the charge current should be 4 amp pace. So we will also fit with the right charger for your venue if you are purchasing the battery from us. Okay. Okay. What is the time? Okay.
It seems like it's the.
It looks like we're also up to the end of our live streaming for today.
Yeah.
And in the next live streaming, we are going to introducing the other type of our company. Okay. As we all know, we don't produce. We are not only produce this type of products. We also have other type of products, which is more related to the new energy. Okay. 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 Let's. How about we? Watching. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye bye.